Hi guys, welcome to Decimal Studies. Today we are solving Kalika Setu 3 question paper, subject science. Okay friends, let's begin. The first question is, the product formed after the reaction of acid with a base is options: metal oxide, non-metal oxide, salt, hydrogen, ion. The right answer is option C, salt. Next question 42. pH value of solution is 12. It means that solution contains options: more H ions than OH ions, less H ions than OH ions, number of H and OH ions is equal, less basicity. The right answer is option B, less H ions than OH ions. Question number 43. Metal oxides are also called as basic oxides because they options: react with water to form a salt, react with base to form a salt, react with both acid and base, react with water. The right answer is option C, react with both acid and base. Question number 44. The electronic dot structure represent the following ionic compound. Option A, magnesium chloride. Option B, magnesium bromide. Option C, magnesium carbonate. Option D, sodium chloride. The right answer is magnesium chloride. Question number 45. Reducing agent used to extract metal from metal oxide is options: oxygen, nitrogen, silicon, carbon. The right answer is carbon. Question number 46. The process of applying a protective zinc coating to iron or a steel to prevent rusting is options: anodization, galvanization, ionization, naturalization. The right answer is galvanization. Question number 47. The organ in this diagram related to organ system. Options: digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, reproductive system. The right answer is excretory system. Question number 48. The physical quantity to translocate the substance in phloem tissue. Options are velocity, speed, heat, energy. The right answer is energy. Question number 49. Reflex action controlling part of nervous system. Options are spinal cord, brain, neuron, nerve. The right answer is spinal cord. Question number 50. Movement of plant roots towards the earth. Options: stigmotropism, geotropism, phototropism, chemotropism. The right answer is option B, geotropism. Question number 51. Required hormone. Options are insulin, adrenaline, testosterone, thyroxine. The right answer is option D, thyroxine. Question number 52. Conductor without voltage difference. Options are allows electric current, couldn't allow electric current, allows more electric current, allows less of electric current. The right answer is option B, couldn't allow electric current. Question number 53. The unit to measure electric current. Options are volt, watt, ampere, ohm. The right answer is option C, ampere. Question number 54. What is the amount of electric current that can flow through a conductor with a 10 ohms resistivity and 10 volt voltage? Options are 110 ampere, 0.9 ampere, 1110 ampere, 11 ampere. The right answer is 11 ampere. Question number 55. Depending factors of resistance of conductor are: options: area of conductor, length of conductor, both A and B, none of the above. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 56. The resultant resistance of circuit where 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms and 40 ohms resistors are connected in series and parallelly respectively. Options are: option A 100 ohms and 4.8 ohms, option B 100 ohms and 4, option B 100 ohms and 4 ohms, option C 100 ohms and 5.8 ohms, option D 5 ohms and 100 ohms. The right answer is option A 100 ohms and 4.8 ohms. Question number 57. The law used to indicate the presence of magnetic line of force around the current flowing conductor. Options are: Fleming's right hand rule, Fleming's left hand rule, right hand thumb rule, Faraday's law. The right answer is option B, Fleming's left hand rule. Question number 58. The direction of magnetic lines of force within a bar magnet. Options are: south to north, north to south, west to east, east to west. The right answer is option A, south to north. Question number 59. The work principle of a device used in an electromotive toy car. Option A, Fleming's right hand rule, option B, Fleming's left hand rule, option C, right hand thumb rule, option D, Faraday's law. The right answer is Fleming's left hand rule. Question number 60. Molecular formula of ozone. Options: O, O2, O3, CFC. The right answer is O3. Question number 61. The difference between CH4 and C3H8. Options: CH2, CH4, C2H4, C2H2. The right answer is option C, C2H4. Question number 62. This part of soap molecule reacts with oil or dirt. Options are: ionic end, whole molecule, hydrocarbon end, ionic and hydrocarbon end. The right answer is option C, hydrocarbon end. Question number 63. The process of combination of chlorine molecule with a hydrocarbon in presence of sunlight. Options are: addition reaction, substitution reaction, esterification, emulsification. The right answer is substitution reaction. Question number 64. The functional group in this molecular formula. Option A, aldehyde, alcohol, ketone, carboxylic group. The right answer is option A, aldehyde. Question number 65. The position of aluminium in a modern periodic table. The right answer is option A, 313p. Question number 66. K, Na, H, Mg, Ca. When these are written in increasing order of their atomic size, atomic radius, options are option A, Ca is greater than K, K is greater than Mg, Mg is greater than Na, Na is greater than H. Option B, Ca is greater than Mg, Mg is greater than Na, Na is greater than K, K is greater than H. Option C, H is greater than Na, Na is greater than Mg, Mg is greater than K, K is greater than Ca. The right answer is option A, Ca is greater than K, K is greater than Mg, Mg is greater than Na is greater than H. Question number 67. Generally, male gamete is options small in size, motile, big in size, both A and B. The right answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 68. The following statement that is not related to female reproductive system. Option A, initiation of menstrual cycle, development of uterus, placenta formation, sperm production. The right answer is sperm production. Question number 69. The disc-like structure embedded in the uterine wall. Option A, placenta. Option B, embryo. Option C, ovum. Option D, fallopian tube. The right answer is option A, placenta. Question number 70. The ratio of pure tall, impure tall and pure dwarf plants after self-pollination of F1 tall, TT plants respectively. Options 2:1:1, 1:2:1, 1:1:2, 3:1:1. The right answer is option B, 1:2:1. Question number 71. The example of an organism for non-genetic sex determination. Option A, snail. Option B, human. Option C, elephant. Option D, horse. The right answer is option A, snail. Question number 72. Analogous organ. Option A, similar in structure and function. Option B, similar in structure and differ in function. Option C, similar in function and differ in structure. Option D, similar in appearance. The right answer is option C, similar in function and differ in structure. Question number 73. The speed of light is more in vacuum than air because the refractive index of vacuum is too less. Vacuum has only air particles. The refractive index of vacuum is more. Vacuum has more density. The right answer is option A. The refractive index of vacuum is too less. Question number 74. The depending factors of Snell's law. Options are option A, angle of refraction. Option B, angle of reflection. Option C, angle of incidence. Option D, both A and C. The right answer is option D, both A and C. Question number 75. The nature of an image formed by an object kept 6 centimeters behind the convex lens, having the focal length 12 cm. Options are A, erect and real. Option B, erect and virtual. Option C, inverted and real. Option D, inverted and virtual. The right answer is option B, erect and virtual. Question number 76. The magnification ratio of convex lens where image is formed due to an object placed on 2f1. Options are 1:1, 2:1, 1:2, 1:3. The right answer is option A, 1:1. The thing that is not used in biogas plant. Options are option A, useless vegetable. Option B, residue after harvesting the crops. Option C, cow dung. Option D, useless cement remained after building a construction. The right answer is option D, useless cement remained after building construction. Question number 78. The element used in a solar cells. Options are option A, silicon. Option B, carbon. Option C, sodium. Option D, iron. The right answer is option A, silicon. Question number 79. A good habit among the following. Options are using fan unnecessarily, putting street lights on at daytime, lighting gas stove on after placing the utensils, keeping mobile charge overnight. The right answer is putting street lights on at a daytime. Question number 80. Traditional water harvesting structure of Karnataka. Options are Bandara, Bundis, Khata, Nadis. The right answer is Bundis. Thank you. Please subscribe for more related videos. And well, if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment me below. Thank you for watching my video.